Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where I share with you all things sewing. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 amazing sewing projects that you can whip up in no time. These are great for beginners or anyone who wants to sew something fun and easy. Whether you want to make something for yourself, your home, your kids, or your pets, I've got you covered. These projects are all made with simple materials and basic sewing skills. You can finish them in under 10 minutes and enjoy the results. So grab your sewing machine and let's get started. The first is scrunchies and hair accessories. If you have a love for hairstyling, you can make scrunchies and hair accessories for your customers. You can make scrunchies of different fabrics, colors, and patterns that are trendy and fun. You can also make headbands, bows, clips, ties, and more. The second is pillowcases. This is a cozy and easy project that shows how to make pillowcases from cotton fabric. You just need some cotton fabric, scissors, pins, and a sewing machine. You can make your pillowcases with any fabric you like to match your bedding. The third is pet accessories. If you love animals and sewing, you can combine your passions and make pet accessories for your furry friends. You can make leashes, harnesses, collars, toys, beds, hammocks, and more. You can use durable and comfortable materials that are safe and suitable for pets. The fourth is tote bags and pouches. If you have a simple and practical style, you can make tote bags and pouches for your customers. You can make bags of different sizes, shapes, and designs that are useful for shopping, traveling, organizing, or storing items. You can also make pouches for cosmetics, jewelry, stationery, or other small items. The fifth is baby products. If you have a soft spot for babies and toddlers, you can make baby products for your customers. You can make bibs, burp cloths, blankets, booties, hats, onesies, dresses, and more. You can use soft and organic materials that are gentle and comfortable for babies. The sixth is drapery and home decor. If you have a flair for interior design and decorating, you can create custom drapery and home decor items for your clients. You can make curtains, shades, valances, duvet covers, pillows, cushions, and more. You can work with different fabrics, colors, styles, and patterns to suit your clients' tastes and preferences. The seventh is quilting. If you have a talent for quilting and patchwork, you can make beautiful quilts for your customers. You can use different fabrics, colors, patterns, and techniques to create unique and cozy quilts that are perfect for gifts or personal use. You can also make smaller items like placemats, coasters, table runners, wall hangings, and more. The eighth is aprons and kitchen accessories. If you have a passion for cooking and baking, you can make aprons and kitchen accessories for your customers. You can make aprons of different styles, colors, and patterns that are functional and fashionable. You can also make oven mitts, pot holders, dish towels, napkins, tablecloths, and more. The ninth is purses and wallets. If you have a knack for making accessories, you can make purses and wallets for your customers. You can make purses of different sizes, shapes, and styles that are stylish and convenient. You can also make wallets, card holders, coin purses, clutches, and more. The last one is lingerie and sleepwear. If you have a sense of romance and elegance, you can make lingerie and sleepwear for your customers. You can make lingerie of different fabrics, colors, and patterns that are sexy and flattering. You can also make sleepwear, robes, nightgowns, pajamas, and more. That's all for today's video. I hope you had a blast watching. These 10 small sewing projects are not only great for beginners, but they are also super fun and practical for anyone who loves sewing. You can use them to decorate your home, accessorize your outfits, or make thoughtful gifts for your loved ones. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have any questions or requests for future videos, feel free to leave them as well. I always love hearing from you and seeing your amazing creations. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. You are awesome. I'll see you next time with another exciting sewing tutorial. Until then, happy sewing and bye for now.